Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a nice painting. You can see a canvas which is made with bamboo slices. On this canvas, I'm going to put the some black color here to draw the bigger tree in one corner. So just putting some brush strokes here, and tree has the black branches. You can see on the top. Okay. So bigger tree has branch segments. So this is a DIY bamboo slice canvas. So the brush painting is going to be little bit different strokes than the traditional canvas, and the drawing is going to be really nice. Awesome. So you can see the shape of the trees here. For the tree branches, you can see some color on the top. Okay, some color here on the top. So that purple color is making it a nice springtime tree. And here just we're putting little abstract visualizations. Okay, and few purple colors on the top here. All right, so the tree is going to be really nice. Now after the tree, we're just putting few, you can see here, just pins. Okay, part of the drawing. And putting the black color for the pins here. Okay, so pins drawing is complete. Very simple, steady, nice drawing. So again doing the details on the branches here. Primary part is complete. It's like a abstract drawing. Then we're taking another brush and just putting the sun in the middle here. It's like the orange color. So putting the color here, defining the bigger sun. Okay, when we put the color, just we always try to make it as round as possible. So because of the bamboo slices, maybe the canvas surface is not the plain surface, but for the abstract visualization this is good. Putting some colors here too. Okay, something in the bottom, and this is it. Very simple and nice drawing. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.